Hi guys, it's Izzy, and today we're going to learn substitution. So let's get started. Step 1. Choose one equation and solve for x or y. If x or y is already isolated, there is no need to solve for it, and you should choose that one. So because this one already has y, we can just go ahead and use that. So that is step 1. Now remember, if they're not already solved for it, then that's going to be in example 2, and we'll get to that in just a minute. So step 2, substitute the expression from that equation into the other equation and solve. So basically, we're going to take this and plug it in here. So 4x plus 3y equals negative 13. Now we're going to take this y and plug it in here. So now 4x plus 3, and the y here is 2x minus 11 equals negative 13. That is step 2. Now step 3. Substitute your answer from step 2 into either original equation and solve. We're actually not there yet. My bad. So now we have to distribute 4x plus 6x minus 33 equals negative 13. Now we can combine these, so it's 10x minus 33 equals negative 13. 33. 10x equals negative 13 plus 33 equals 20, divided by 10, divided by 10. Now x equals 2. So now we're at step 3. That was my bad for saying step 3 earlier and confusing you. Editing, have fun, Izzy editing. All right, so now we're going to take this value and plug it into this equation. So now we have 4, and then because we know x, 2, 4 times 2 plus 3y equals negative 13. Now 4 times 2 is 8, so it's 8 plus 3y equals 13. Now we're going to move the 8 over. Don't forget, a negative minus negative is adding it, so it's really going to be negative 21 divided by 3, and y equals negative 7. If you want to check, you can just go back to here, plug your y value and your x value into that, and see if they work. So we're just going to do that really quick. So negative 7 equals 2 minus 11. So the last step is writing, step. And then step 4, write your answer as an ordered pair. So our ordered pair would be 2, negative 7. Remember, because it's x, y. Don't forget to box your answer. All right, now on to example 2. Yeah. So now we are in example 2. Example 2 is a little bit different from example 1 because we don't already have one of the variables isolated. So we have to do that first. So x plus y equals 1. So now we'll just solve for x, I guess. So x equals 1 minus y. So now we're going to take this and plug it into this equation. So 5, 1 minus y minus 9y equals negative 51. That real quick, okay. So now we distribute, so 5 minus 5y minus 9y equals negative 51. Something really important that I always like to remember with substitution is that you always remember to distribute. A lot of errors are created when you don't distribute, and errors are bad, and you want to pass the test. So now we're going to combine like terms. So now we have 5 minus 14y equals negative 51 minus 5 minus 5. Negative 14y equals negative 56. Divide that by negative 14. Divide by negative 14. And then we have y equals 4. So now we're going to take this and plug it into the other equation. So we have x plus 4 equals 1. Subtract the 4, subtract the 4, x equals negative 3. So then the last step is to write them as an ordered pair. So the ordered pair would be negative 3, 4. I hope this video helped you learn substitution. If you have any other questions, or you don't know how to use any other methods, or you're confused on something, please refer to any of the other links on our website and any of the other videos. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye!